Today we're unboxing one of the upcoming yet to release shoes from the Adidas Dragon Ball Z pack. So this is the Adidas Kamanda. It is one of the brand's newest silhouettes of 2018. Somewhat of a hybrid as it combines old and new design details. And it sort of informs Adidas's sort of design direction of 2018. What they did was pair a lot of past and present, and you saw that with their Never Made pack where they basically made hybrids of old and new soles with uppers. And the Kamanda sort of fits into that build because the shoe is inspired heavily by the Samba, and as is the outsole. Basically, they took this outsole pattern and sort of exaggerated it to create this sort of uniform pattern that wraps up into the midsole. It has this very wavy sort of appearance. The shoe itself was kind of compared to the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 on a number of occasions, but definitely its own shoe. And not many colorways have released the Kamanda so far. There were the two GR colorways that dropped earlier this year, the black and the maroon versions. There were very few collaborations, and of course, it reappears again in the form of Majin Buu. He has some unique abilities in that he can regenerate his own body. He could transform inanimate objects into things like food, which he's done, which is why he's so overweight. But he also has the ability to change form as well. And it makes total sense that he's being paired with Vegeta because they have a long-standing rivalry. Of course, if you're a fan of the Dragon Ball Z series, those two characters certainly have their own history. So, of course, there are a lot of details that make this a very Majin Buu shoe. The most obvious one would be this fleshy pink colorway on the upper. It's a full suede that wraps around the entire shoe, as well as even the tongue and even the laces. You know, it's supposed to reflect his topless sort of form. And of course, there's the gold Adidas Kamanda stamp. Again, that's a lot of gold detailing you can see on Majin Buu's outfit. The outsole itself is this opaque black. And here on the medial side, you see a nice clean suede again. Here on the sole, you'll notice the Dragon Ball logo etched into the sole. It represents 6 stars, I guess, for the 6th release. On the inside of the tongue, it says Mr. Satan, which is another nod to his relationship with Mr. Satan, another key character in the Dragon Ball series that isn't one of the 7 shoes, but pretty nice shout out to him, of course. And on the heels, you have Majin Buu's logo, an M, with a bright volt neon yellow sort of leather heel patch. Here in the soles, there's other details, Japanese characters, again, that refer to the Majin Buu character. And perhaps our favorite detail so far is that in the Kamanda, where it's stamped here, the letter M also matches the Majin Buu logo. So that's a pretty straightforward description of the shoes. We have to say it's probably one of the best ones of the entire pack. Clean colorway, matches well with the character, and they added a lot of details into the shoe. This is the 6th overall release. It is paired up with Vegeta's Ultra Tech. These are dropping in November. Again, full release details and pricing info can all be found in the description below, so be sure to check that. We'll update that. And let us know if you agree with us in our opinion that these are one of the best. If you think these are one of the worst, let us know which one is your favorite. In hand, these definitely feel good. The materials on these are on point. The colorway is great, and there's definitely a lot of details that will make Dragon Ball Z fans very happy. So, and much like the other Dragon Ball Z releases, you'll get the custom shoebox with the Adidas Dragon Ball Z logo. You get the custom illustration on the side of the box that, as you guys know, when they stack up, they create that large poster image. And of course, you'll have the special edition tissue with Majin Buu and Vegeta battling it out. So that's pretty much it. We hope you enjoyed this early unboxing. Again, the shoes are dropping in November. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more early looks at upcoming shoe releases, and we'll catch you next time.